change is very important because this is the greatest issue facing humankind. We have 7 billion people, and our atmosphere is very thin. So we've been able to affect it. We've been able to change the atmosphere, and this is going to change life for everyone. So we need to start addressing this problem right away.
Solar energy is an inexhaustible fuel source that is pollution and often noise-free.
The Earth receives 1,366 watts of solar energy per square meter.
Solar energy can be used to heat water and other small appliances.
Solar energy systems do not produce air pollution or carbon dioxide.
And when located on a building, they have minimal impact on the environment.
The amount of energy that strikes the Earth in 1 hour is enough energy to provide for the world in a whole entire year.
Solar power doesn't cause pollution or air waste.
Solar cells were discovered in 1876 by William Adams.
It's pretty awesome having solar panels in the school because not every school is able to be auto-sustainable.
Because solar energy doesn't rely on the constant mining of raw materials, it doesn't result in the destruction of forests and ecosystem that often occur as a result of fossil fuel operations.
Solar energy is environmentally superior to other forms of general electricity.
Solar power is a renewable source of energy. It'll help a lot of people when they need power.
Photovoltaic cells convert photons into electrons.
Or sunlight into electricity.
Solar panels on top of roofs can reduce heating and cooling costs.
99.99% of all solar radiation or solar energy goes to waste. The Earth receives about 1,366 watts of direct solar radiation per square meter.
There are no harmful emissions from PV equipment, and its operation is virtually noise-free.
It takes 8 minutes for sunlight to travel to Earth.
In 1990, the first solar-powered plane flew across America.
Every hour, the sun beams enough energy onto Earth to supply global energy needs for 1 year.
We would like to give a special thanks to WPS, the school board, and the administration for allowing this to happen.
Thank you, Wisconsin Public Service, for giving us this opportunity.
I'm Mr. Bach, and I'm going to teach you how to solar power. These are the solar panels, also known as photovoltaics. Photo means light, and voltaics means electricity. So essentially, the photons of light from the sun are colliding with the silicon atoms in the solar panels, knocking electrons loose, and those electrons then are harnessed, and we're able to use those inside of our building. Here are the wires where the free electrons travel from the solar panel through these wires, and then the electrons, in the form of electricity, go into the building.
Hi, I'm Dave Arnold. I'm the Building and Ground Supervisor for Lakeland Union High School. Right now we're in the upper boiler room, or upper mechanical room above the field house, and we're looking at our solar photovoltaic energy system that we just got from public service this summer. The power from the roof comes off the solar panels right through to this panel here, this switch, which is a DC current, and it goes into an inverter which changes it to an AC, which then allows it to go back up and around and over into one of our electrical panels, and it feeds back into our system. There's a safety switch on here, so if we do lose power, that this automatically trips out, so that if public service has to work on a circuit or something thinking that everything's dead, they won't get electrocuted. There's some interesting data from our instruments right here. Right now we've saved 716 pounds of CO2 since we installed the system. A total of 421 kilowatt hours. So those are just things to show you how our system's actually working.
The electricity generated from the solar panels will be used to run the lights here in the science wing.
Light. Thanks, solar panels.
So now that you understand how the solar panels work and how the electricity is being used, I want to explain how to access the real-time data from the solar panels. First, go to the LUHS website homepage and click on Academics. Then click on Science, Science Staff, and then Mr. Bach. On the buttons on the left side, click on Solar Panel Real-Time Data. Then you will notice on the right-hand side that there is a username and password located here. They are case sensitive. Next, you're going to want to click on the real-time data link. Then you will be directed to this site. Place the username and password in the space provided, and then click Login. Next, you have options to view the real-time data from other SolarWise schools. But today, I want to focus on our data. So I'm going to click on our link located down here at the bottom. So now you will be able to select the range and the type of data that you would like to analyze. For our purposes, I selected a line graph of all of the possible data points. And here's the graph that depicts the information from the data point. What a great resource to study and analyze the real-time data produced right here at LUHS, instead of utilizing sources of information that don't have personalized meaning. The final aspect of the solar panels that I would like to explain and address is the Solar Olympics competition that will be held at the University of Wisconsin-Oshkosh in May this year. Solar Olympics is an annual, one-day renewable energy event for participating SolarWise schools. This fun-filled energy competition gives high school students hands-on experience with renewable energy along with project management and teamwork skills. The following slides are examples of the different competitions that you will be able to compete in. There is a solar t-shirt design competition. Here is an example of the one that won last year, and you can see that I'm wearing it today. There is a solar car competition, a solar cooker design competition, a solar water heater, a solar building design, a solar essay, a solar marketing campaign, solar photography, solar sculpture. There is a qualifying solar Jeopardy competition. There is an opportunity to do community outreach, and there is a solar art challenge. So if any of these amazing competitions spark your interest and you would like to represent LUHS in our first ever Solar Olympics competition, there is an opportunity to sign up today during lunch at our Environmental Science Club table in the cafeteria. Remember that this is a great opportunity for us to represent LUHS and show the state that we are truly the Star of the North. Go T-Birds!